Hello. In my day-to-day work, I spend a lot of time on two repetitive tasks. One is writing test case from requirement and figuring out whether a failing test case is a real bug or a flaky one. So for this Capstone project, I built an AI agent to automate exactly this. I call it test case whisperer. First, it has two core capabilities. First, it takes a plain English requirement, and second, it takes this is trigger failure. It takes failing test error log and classify it as a real bug or a flaky test. First, we go to the test case generation. Here, we can paste the requirement. For example, this one is a requirement. This requirement says a user want to log in with email or password so that I can access my dashboard. If the password wrong 3 times, then the account is locked for 15 minutes. I just have to click generate test case. Here also there is a upload requirement file option. Here we can drop the file or upload the requirement file from our system. Here it takes some time. After that it will generate the robot framework test case and with edge case reasoning. We can also download that file. Also there are three examples. Like for sample we can click and it will generate. Yeah, it comes. This is the edge case reasoning, and this one is robot framework test code. It covers uh, the happy path. It covers the happy path, negative scenarios like login fail with incorrect password, non-existing email, or missing password, and empty credentials. And also it covers the edge cases like account logs after three valid attempts and account denies future login after the attempts, and account logged for like 15-minute duration. And this it generate all the script in robot framework. After that we can also download this robot framework file. And this much is about test case generation. Now we move to the trigger failure one. Here we can use first one from the demo, and I just click trigger failure. Here we can also upload the run history, like pass how many times we run it and the execution pass or fail. And after the execution it classify it like it's a flaky one and what next action we need to uh, do after that. Also it gives the reason why it considered this as a flaky test one. We can try with another script. Hmm. Here it mentioned it's a real regression, and here it mentioned the action, what to do next, and also the reason of this. So this is not a generic chatbot. It's built around a workflow that I deal every single sprint at my work, writing test case and triggering which failure it is. And it's built using Gemini API, FastAPI, and Gradio, developed with Google Antigravity IDE, and I deploy it in Hugging Face space. This the link is in description. You can use it, and this much for it. Thanks for watching.